Good morning. This is to inform
Hi,
that I have
myself
completed all my
Drishalvani.
projects
I
as
have
part of
completed my
completion of Unified
internship with
Mentor Data
Unified
Science
Mentor
Internship.
as a full
I have
stack web
completed 4
development
projects
intern. It was a
and they were
great
well
learning
curated
experience.
and
I
added
got to
detailed
work on the
exploratory data
projects like
analysis along with latest
weather
machine
app,
learning
which uses
algorithms
API
through
integration, or
which I
student
achieved
teacher
the
booking
relevant accuracy which
appointments,
was needed
which
in
also
order to
uses
complete my
Firebase and
project.
Cloud Firestore. I
Also, I
had
would like to thank Unified
such a
Mentor
great time
for
working on this project, which
helping me
makes
wherever I
my knowledge
wanted, and
or my
it
theoretical knowledge
helped me a
worked
lot
into the
in
practical ones.
correcting
It
my
improved my
codes
skills in
and
HTML,
achieving the relevant
CSS,
result. Thank you,
JavaScript,
Unified
and
Mentor.
also I happened to learn new
Good
skills
morning.
like
This is
React,
to inform
Node,
that I have completed
and
all my
Firebase as
projects as
well.
part of completion
I had
of
such a
Unified
great time.
Mentor Data
Overall,
Science
the
Internship.
mentors
I have
in
completed
Unified
4
Mentor are
projects
so supportive.
and they were
Any
well
doubts can be
curated
solved
and
if I message
added
them or
detailed
call them in
exploratory
any
data
time,
analysis along
which
with
was a
latest
great
machine
thing, which
learning
makes
algorithms
every task
through which I
easier.
achieved the relevant
Thank you,
accuracy which was
Unified
needed
Mentor,
in order
for
to complete
giving
my
me this
projects.
opportunity, and I'll recommend to
Also, I
all
would
the
like to thank
students to
Unified
gain the
Mentor
work
for
experience and the
helping
real life
me wherever
experience
I
through this.
wanted,
Thank you.
and